Most people think AI will replace low quality work and leave high quality human work untouched. That's not what's happening. What's actually happening is a split. Wealthy people are starting to pay more for human teachers, human doctors, real conversations, and things made by actual people. Everyone else gets AI substitutes. And to be clear, those substitutes are not bad. In many cases, they are fast, efficient, and genuinely useful, but they are different. This flips the entire 20th century model. Earlier, mass market meant human delivered at scale. Now, mass market is AI delivered. And premium becomes human. Not just human, but provably human. Made by someone who cared stops being a nice sentence. It becomes a signal, a filter, something you can verify and something people are willing to pay extra for. So the real question is not, will AI replace humans? That's the wrong frame. The real question is,
Where do you position yourself in this split? Are you competing in the AI layer where speed and cost win? Or are you building something human enough, scarce enough, and real enough that people choose to pay for it? Because the middle disappears. And if you stay there, you get replaced quietly.